Hello. Today, let's make a fried rice fast and easy. First, we have to create scrambled egg out of two standard eggs, of course. Fried rice is a dish of cooked rice that has been stir fried in a wok in a fried pan. If we finish our delicious eggs, we are extracted them into another vessels, for example, and then we add the rice to it. Yeah, the rice should be dry. It should be not fresh rice. This rice can be really easy 1 week ago cooked before. It's no problem for it. Then we are going to fry a little bit the rice now on an upper rate of the flame. And then, of course, the ingredients are eggs, vegetables, seafood, or meat. So we can now enter the first delicious stuff. This is soya sauce. Yeah. And then, of course, we add another thing. This is sesame oil. We add this for flavor. Then we have here this sauce. This is a red sauce, a flying goose sauce, really delicious. We add it to our fried rice stuff. And if this is all hot, we get back the scrambled egg to our fried rice. Now we have the basic. If we need, we can add now vegetables, meat, or something else, and then we can enjoy it. So easy it is to make fried rice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Tschüss.